Want to grow your business and every marketing dollar counts? Now what? Lean nurturing might be the answer to your questions. Lean nurturing means investing to build a lasting relationship with your current and future clients. Email and social media are great channels for this strategy. The goal is to keep your business top of mind and be your customer's first choice when they're ready to buy. You achieve this by offering meaningful content tailored to their stage in the buying cycle. Every small business can do this following these 3 steps. Step 1, you need to gather contact information. You get business card at events, you add options for newsletter subscription to your website, you have a clear call to actions for likes and subscribe on social media. It's really important to offer something valuable in exchange for their contact information. It could be a rebate on their first purchase, a special invite-only event, or an industry benchmark for more B2B clients. Step 2, map and understand your customer journey. What's on your customer's mind as they look at your product or services? What will get them to make a purchase? Then you group these people based on who they are and where they are in their customer journey, and you create content relevant for each of these stages. If they don't know you well, they might be more interested in articles speaking to the category that you're playing in, learning about the company values and what's important and what differentiates you as a brand. Once they're closer to their decision to buy, then they're in comparison mode. So then product demos, specs, comparison products have a greater impact. Step 3, for successful lean nurturing, measure and adjust. It doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You can track what page they visit on your website to understand their behaviors and their needs. Are they commenting on your posts, sharing to their friends? What pages do people look at the most just before buying? Can you improve it? Test it, see what works and adjust. Drop your questions in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.